Similarly, egoism. You see, when you go to deep sleep, how quiet you are, how relaxed. And when you wake up after deep sleep, there are some moments of just quietness until ego is spider jumps into the seat with a website. Immediately become aware of past, present, future, and all the dreams that you have. So, day by day you experience the role of ego and being egoless. And yet, it is an ego-based reality that everyone is satisfied with, or everyone is overcome by it, ego-based. And go on emphasizing ego-based aspirations. When will I be prosperous? When will I win a lottery? When I will have this? When will I have that? From practical point, you always realize practical realities are never being neglected. You must be skilled in handling your practical realities. But at the same time, your focus is in bringing about purification of vasanas. So I have talked about ignorance, you have talked about egoism. Led by egoism, you develop another illusion. Same world is there. Look at the world without attachment and hatred, and it looks so vast, so inspiring. But once attachment enters, oh, this world is perspiring. Where is my dear one? Your mind turns to what you consider near and dear ones. That also is an abstract term. And what is near and dear one in the morning, by the evening, your deer has wandered away in a forest. So you don't know who is dear, who is near. But at the same time, you go on taking pictures of all cute moments. And those pictures are collected in the treasury of your heart. So that making the vasanas, klishta vasana, developing impressions of attachment and hatred. Attachment and hatred. And your embodiment is caused by karma. And karma is a result of raga and dvesha. If you have attachment and hatred, your world is going to be defined by illusion. And that illusional process is karma. And karma-based life means you are always aware of mortality and be afraid all through your life. Whenever there is any serious damage to your body or to any type of illness, sickness, or you become aware of death and begin to count your days and allow your mind to go through a lot of fear. All that again is, from practical point of view, is real. But your entire personality should not be constantly under the impact of the fear of death. In brief, ignorance, egoism, attachment, hatred, fear of death, these subtle impressions go on gathering in your mind, and your vasanas become more and more envenomed, not pure vasana. And the soul is being led to experience cycle of birth and death. And in every embodiment, all your experiences are colored by vasanas. As we proceed, we'll go into deeper insight.